Hello and welcome to the Tigre.pup channel. In this video, I'll be removing red semi-permanent hair color with one and only's Colorfix. If you would like to see how I accomplish this, then please keep watching. Okay, here's what the hair looks like before we begin. This is the Red Fashion hair color. I'll leave a link of how I applied the color in the description down below. Here is the Colorfix by One and Only. Apparently you can use this to remove semi-permanent hair color, even though the directions specifically say it's only for permanent hair color. You're supposed to mix step 1 and 2, which I'm going to show you in a second, and number 3, which nobody really uses because it just redarkens the hair. You're supposed to apply that for 5 minutes. But right here I'm just showing you what are the contents and what you get into the box. All the instructions are actually written on the interior of the box, so if you take a look you can see the writing on there. To be honest with you, I've gotten tired of the color, the red. I wanted something more natural, so that's the reason why I decided to go ahead on and try this product. Okay, right here I'm just showing you how my gloves, my brush and my bowl ready to begin. I'm going to show you putting on my gloves here. I'm going to mix part 1 and part 2, and we're going to see what that looks like right quick. Okay, and the instructions tell you to mix part 1 and 2 and to apply it to dry hair, and you would leave it to process for 20 minutes. And it also has the option to use heat where you check it every 3 to 5 minutes, which I'm not going to do that because I believe our hair is pretty damaged enough as it is already. So basically what I'm going to do is after I apply the color, I'm going to wrap the hair up with a plastic cap, which in this case I just have a grocery bag because I've run out of processing caps. And then I'm gonna let it sit for 20 minutes, rinse it for 5, and then shampoo it. And I did shampoo it twice to make sure that all the product was out. That was just my decision, I guess. I could have sworn I read it somewhere, but I don't know. But I'm gonna include the instructions in the video, or snapshots of the instructions in the video. Okay, now I'm just going to mix that as thoroughly as I possibly can. Right here I'm just showing you the sectioning that I've used to section off our hair, and then we're going to start applying. I'm going to work in the back, and I'm going to do it as fast as I possibly can because I guess once you apply it, it starts working or is activated or whatever. However, the time doesn't begin until after everything is done. I also like to mention that this stuff really stinks. It smells like rotten eggs or perm solution, which to me smells like fart. just giving you a heads up, and the smell lingers days after, so just be aware of that. Right here I'm just showing you how I'm applying it. I'm trying to make sure everything is thoroughly coated from the root to the ends. Just a reminder, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks. Okay, so I'm going to process the hair for 20 minutes like I told you before. I'm going to rinse it for 5 minutes, and after I finish rinsing it, I'm going to shampoo it twice, and these are the results that I had. As you can see, we thoroughly removed all the red out of the hair, and it looks like its original color. Okay, now that I've tried this product, I think it's a great option if you have fashion hair color and you're trying to get rid of the red, specifically red. That's the only reason why I use this, because I saw it online. It's better than using bleach and it not totally removing all the red out. So this totally did remove all the red, and I'm glad I gave it a try. Maybe you have red hair and you might want to give it a try. I'm sure you'll be very glad you did, because the condition of the hair is still pretty good. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching.